In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Square with JotForm, allowing you to seamlessly process payments directly from your online forms. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have everything set up correctly for a smooth experience. First things first, you need to create or open a form in JotForm. For those who aren't familiar, JotForm is a versatile online forms platform that helps you to collect and manage data with ease. So, log into your JotForm dashboard. Once you're there, you have the option to either create a new form from scratch or edit one that you've already started. Choose whichever option suits your needs best at this moment. Once your form is ready, the next step is to add the Square payment field. This enables the functionality to accept payments. In the form builder, you'll want to click on the Add Form Element button. Look for the section called Payments. Then from there, go ahead and select Square. By doing this, JotForm will automatically include the Square payment widget onto your form, which acts as a bridge between your form and Square payments. Now that the Square payment widget is part of your form, it's time to link your Square account. Simply click on the Square payment field that you just added, and then click on Connect with Square. You'll need to log into your Square account here. If it's your first time, you'll have to authorize JotForm to access your Square account. This step is crucial as it fuels the entire payment process by allowing JotForm to process Square payments securely and efficiently on your behalf. With your account connected, you can move on to configuring the payment settings to match your business requirements. This part is quite flexible, so take your time to customize it according to your needs. You can set the payment amount or choose specific products and services you want to offer. Additionally, you can configure the currency, set up recurring payments if they apply to your business model, and also manage aspects like tax, shipping, and customer information. Tweaking these settings ensures your form aligns perfectly with your transactional needs. After all that, it's time to publish your form. In JotForm, simply click on the Publish button. Once you've done that, you're given a couple of options. You can copy the form link, or you can generate an embed code if you'd like to include your form directly on your website. These forms can easily be shared and added to various platforms, whether it's WordPress, Shopify, landing pages, or even email campaigns. By doing so, you've extended your payment capabilities far beyond conventional methods, tapping into a versatile payment solution that meets your unique needs. And there you have it. Your form is now live, integrated with Square, and ready to accept payments seamlessly. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, happy form building and efficient payment processing.